Saying number 420. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." It is related that Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, was sitting with his companions when a beautiful woman passed by them and they began to look at her, whereupon Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "The eyes of these men are covetous, and this glancing is the cause of their becoming covetous. Whenever any one of you sees a woman who attracts him, he should meet his wife because she is a woman like his wife." Then one of the Kharijites said, "May Allah kill this heretic. How logical he is." People then leapt towards him to kill him, but Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "Wait a bit. There should either be abuse, for an abuse, or else pardoning from the offense.